Hey guys, I know it's been a long minute since I last did a video for you, so I am back with September's edition of Candycoat's monthly subscription gel polish box. So if you're not sure what Candycoat is about, it is basically a monthly subscription which you get a lovely box like this, and inside it is full of goodies for you. So first off, as you can see, I've got the leaflet just explaining what is inside the box. And you get your 3 gel polishes, you get a tool of some sort, you get some candy and some swatching sticks. So this is this month's goodie. I was honestly confused by it. I was like, what is going on over here? I wasn't sure if they were gloves, if they were socks, and if they are socks, why the toe bits open. And then I eventually twigged that, okay, yes, it does look quite confusing, but I suppose you could be doing a pedicure whilst your toes are nice, your feet are nice and cozy and your toes stick out of those little bits and you can still do a pedicure. And in a way, they kind of work as toe separators, so your gel doesn't touch each other when you're doing your pedicure. So quite clever, although I was a bit like, okay, not sure about that when I first got it, but now it makes sense. So as you can see, I've got my 3 swatching sticks. I got a little mini nail file, and they did in other previous boxes used to add a tool to it, but I think in the last couple of boxes I haven't really gotten those, so I don't know whether they've decided to stop sending little manicure tools. But to be honest, I never really used them anyway. So these are the 3 colors we got this month. They are very autumn themed. I love the shine and the color of it. This is a very different color. I don't have one of this, so I was really glad when I saw something different, because the last few boxes I've gotten a lot of pinks, so it was really nice to see something that wasn't pink based. This is a nice lovely red, and it does have a bit of a shimmer to it as well. And then the first one that I showed you was very coppery, was kind of like reminds me of copper tones kind of thing. And this one is also a lovely brown, reddy brown kind of thing with a bit of shimmer in it as well. Don't know how to describe it. I'm useless at describing colors, but they are really lovely. Like I said, they are very autumn themed. So I am just going to swatch these out for you. I'm going to do 2 coats of each, and then I will be back with you in a minute. you guys let me know what you think, and I will catch you in another video really soon, and I promise not to leave it too long before I make another video. You guys take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.